Will AI take over your jobs or create new ones? Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. My name is Rezwan Pranto. Maybe some of you guys know me as Pranto. So, and obviously, welcome to my channel. I am fascinated by artificial intelligence. And no, I'm not here to make a robot version of myself yet. Today, we are diving into a question that's got everyone talking about how AI changing the job market. I mean, let's face it, when people hear AI, they either think of cool robots like in Iron Man or terrifying ones like Terminator. But don't worry, that isn't about killer robots. It's about real life changes. Actually, it's about real life changes happening right now. Changes that might affect maybe your job. So grab your coffee or tea, settle in, and let's explore the future together. And hey, if you are not into AI tech, or if you're into AI tech, or just want to stay ahead of the curve, hit the subscribe. It's free, unlike college tuition. AI is everywhere these days. It's like that friend who is suddenly good at everything. It's helping doctors save lives. It's suggesting your Netflix binge. And yes, it's probably the reason of your Amazon packages arrives in one day. But here is the shocking part: by 2025, yeah, it's like less than 1 month, AI is expected to replace like 85 million jobs worldwide. Let that sink in. That's like replacing the entire populations of Germany. Now, before you panic and start googling how to live off the grid, here is the good news. AI is also expected to create 97 million new jobs. That's right, more jobs than it's taking away. Think of it like this: AI is Mario Kondo in the job market. It's getting rid of boring, repetitive, repetitive tasks that don't spark joy and making space for more meaningful work. So, for example, in healthcare, AI helps doctor detect diseases faster. Isn't that great? So human can focus on more complex tasks, like figuring out why the Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting. Okay, the bottom line: AI isn't here to steal your job. It's here to upgrade it, like turning your flip phone into a smartphone. Yeah. Now let's talk specific. Okay, for instance, factory works. Robots are like the co-workers who never take breaks or ask for raises. They assembling cars, packing box, and handling repetitive tasks like faster than human could ever. Then data entry clerks. Remember typing in all those numbers? into Excel? Yeah, AI can do that in seconds. Sorry, spreadsheet. Your region of terror is ending. Okay, so now talk about AI, jobs AI improving. So, doctor, AI doesn't replace doctors. It's like the super smart assistant. It helps analyze, scan, spot disease, and save lives. If you are ever googled your symptoms, you'll know how important that is. So then coders. AI tools like GitHub Copilot are like having a genius coding buddy. It helps developers write better code faster without judgment if they forget a semicolon. Here is a relatable example. Imagine you are a farmer. Instead of working through fields to check your crops, you can now use drones powered by AI. These drones analyze your fields, predict harvest, and even warn your pests. Like it's like having a weather forecast and a plant doctor rolled into one. And no, the drones won't start planting themselves, at least not yet. So AI isn't just replacing your jobs, it's creating totally new ones, just new ones. For example, AI ethics specialist. So these are the people making sure AI doesn't accidentally ruin our lives. Think of them as the referees, AI trainers. So, like for AI trainers, these folks teach AI system how to work. It's like teaching a toddler, except the toddler can process 10,000 pieces of data in a second. So, for the entrepreneur, there is a huge opportunity. You can just like do the craziest thing you have ever imagined. Like people who would like to go for new business or entrepreneur. So here is the crazy part. AI is making it easier than ever to start your own business. Need a website? AI can design one. Need a logo? AI has got you. Need a break? AI will keep things running while you binge or watch The Office. So yeah, your coworkers might soon be AI tools. And guess what? They won't complain about overtime. So let's talk about the future. Because this is where things get wild. Experts predict that by 2030, half of today's jobs will require AI related skills. Don't you worry, you don't need to be a programmer to adapt. AI is becoming so user friendly that soon using it will feel as natural as using your phone. For example, teachers might use AI to create personalized lessons for students. Then truck drivers could manage fleets of self-driving trucks from a control room. Or okay, so it's not about competing with AI. No, no competition. It's about teaming, teaming up. Sorry, teaming up with it. Think of AI as the Robin to your Batman. So, or maybe the other way around, depending on who is smarter. Either way, the only real loser here is your old calculator. So, will AI take over your jobs? The answer is it depends. AI will replace some roles for sure, but it also opening up amazing new opportunities. The key is to stay curious and keep learning. Start small, play with AI tools or explore online courses. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to get started. Before we wrap up, let me ask you, do you see AI as a threat or an opportunity? Let me know in the comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more exciting insights into how AI is shaping our future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.